my friends, and welcome back to another weekly vlog. I hope you guys are all doing well. Happy Monday. Also sending all my love to all my Melbourne followers. I know I have a lot of people that watch me from Victoria. My heart goes out to you guys. I'm sending all my love and best wishes, and if anyone ever needs a chat, let me know. I'm only an Instagram DM away, so if you ever need a chat. But yeah, happy Monday. We've had quite an eventful morning, let me show you. I woke up this morning, was just doing my normal morning routine, and I go to wipe my hands on the towel. And this happens. The whole rack just fell off. That was fun. That was a nice way to wake up. That sound just smashing the tiles was just incredible. Needless to say, I'm awake, I'm alive, I'm here. My dad's actually coming around to fix it, my little handyman. He's not just coming to fix that, he also had to drop around my sunglasses because I left them there last night after dinner. Stupidly, I always leave something, it's so annoying. And also my sister has a pair of leggings that accidentally got caught up in the move that I still have and have been meaning to get back for a while, so they're just gonna pop around. He's gonna fix that for me. I don't know if that was the kind of thing I would call the landlord or like the real estate about, I don't know, but my dad can just like fix anything, so he's my go-to man. They should be here pretty soon. I've just been doing some life admin-y stuff this morning. I have a package arriving at some point, my Rockwear order, so I'm excited about that. Wow, this glare is just not flattering.
That's in. Oh, no.
Leave that there, I've got to go and get the
sunglasses you forgot. Here you go.
Thank you.
Oh,
do you find this camera intimidating?
Yeah, I do.
I don't think I got that on camera. The first thing Mum says is, oh, it's a bit chilly in here. Sorry, we don't put the heating on. No, I'll put it on just for you.
Oh, you haven't washed up from breakfast either?
No, we don't. We only wash the dishes once a day.
That's very good.
How's the beard going, Dan?
That's right. Get there, you know what I mean?
How do you feel about the beard, Susie?
I'm not really sure. As long as he's happy. And I'm not sure he is happy, so we're just...
The first time he's had any proper facial hair in what,
I've never
20
known
years?
him in over... How long have I known you? 22 years? Something like that.
Have you ever had any kind of facial hair?
Nope, never.
Wow. That's what retirement does to you, ladies and gentlemen.
I don't know what it is like. Like pea? I mean, I
Oh, P is for peppercorn, yeah.
Oh,
what is it called? Just a popcorn? Did you hurt yourself? Oh no.
What did you do? Stab yourself with the pen?
Yeah, I'm tattooing my finger.
Oh,
Oh, never mind. Tis what it is, isn't it?
It is what it is.
Okay, right.
Okay, my parents just left and I just got my package in the mail, which I'm so excited about. As you guys would have seen if you watched last week's vlog, I placed a cheeky little order on the Rockwear website. I always get confused between Rockwear and Riderwear for some reason. The R and R, too confusing for my little brain. I'm so excited about this. I am currently wearing the only sports bra that I own. Ooh, okay. This looks promising. Oh, I like it, I like it. I got two high impact sports bras. These one's the High Zen sports bra. This one's in the color Nori. I'll have links down below in case you're interested in checking it out, but it has a cute little design on the back. I don't know if you can see that. It's got adjustable straps, which is great. And it feels pretty nice. It's like nice, really nice quality actually. I got that one in a size large, I think it was, because I have quite a large chest. I'm really hoping that the large fits. I think it looks like it will fit, hopefully. And then I just got a black one, just plain black. And then we have two pairs of black leggings. I know, I really need to branch out, but I just love a good pair of black leggings. They go with pretty much everything. Don't get me wrong, love a funky pair of colored leggings like my red ones here. I also have a few pattern ones, but I find myself just reaching for my black leggings and just wearing them a whole lot more than any other kind. So I got two pairs. They're two different styles though. So this pair is the scrunch bum ones, which I've been wanting to try for a while. I really just want a scrunch bum moment, you know? I will say the quality feels really, really nice. The material is like, it's beautiful. And then the other pair I got is just like your standard black leggings. What's the style called? I think it's the Luxe Soft Ultra High Rise Tie. This material, oh my god, it's very different. This material is like leggingy, like that classic leggingy material, like the ones I'm wearing right now. These ones from Two Tags. But this one, this is like so soft. Wow, wee. And then it's got like the classic Rockwear on the butt. Well, it's not really the butt, the back, lower back. A lot of the reviews were saying how beautiful the material is, and I can really see why. Anyway, I'm gonna go try this stuff on. I'm excited. Hopefully those sports bras fit. I'm really nervous. Okay, deep breaths, positive thoughts, let's go. Okay, verdict is in. Obsessed, freaking obsessed. So comfortable, feels like such good quality. I'm so happy I paid the price. These are the leggings. I have the scrunch ones on, don't mind the tag. You probably can't see. I feel like the scrunch leggings are a real love-hate relationship. Like some people love them and some people think they look like a relapsed booty hole. It's personal preference. And then this is the sportswear. I just chucked a shirt on over top so I could see what it actually looked like. But it is really nice, very supportive, keeps the gals in, which is just honestly a miracle. It feels like very compressive, but when I jump up and down, there's a little bit of jiggle, but I feel like that's inevitable. And I don't run, so we're fine. But yeah, 10 out of 10, love, incredible, big fan. Hello friends, happy Saturday. Sorry, I'm just cleaning up all the rubbish from yesterday. I said Saturday, it's definitely not Saturday, it's Tuesday. Am I okay? I haven't had my coffee yet, it's like 7:45. Just doing a bit of cleaning up. I'm gonna have my coffee and get on with my day. So tonight Nick and I are making turkey, what's it called? Turkey stuffed
Sweet potato.
turkey taco stuffed sweet potatoes. So we've got the turkey mince, the taco sauce, taco seasoning, and I'm about to cut up these sweet potatoes. Hello friends, happy Wednesday. It is a beautiful day here in Adelaide, not that anyone cares. I always talk about the weather. You know when you're on like a first date and you have nothing to say and you just mention the weather? That's us right now. I'm just trying to set the scene. Beautiful day, really cold. I think it's like 11 degrees, but the sun is out, which is the main thing. So I'm gonna go and walk in. I don't really feel like going to the gym today, so I'm just gonna like listen to I'm gonna listen to my body, just take a little bit of a rest day, go for a walk, get some steps in. My arms are really sore from yesterday, so if I'm a little bit shaky with the camera, that's why. Anyway, I'm gonna pop on a podcast. I get a lot of questions about what podcasts I recommend. I'll have a list down below of like my favorites, but I'm always listening to new ones. If you guys have any podcast suggestions, leave them down below. But yeah, that is the plan for today. And then I think I'm going to come home and make some banana bread. Oh, I also need to pop on some laundry before I go because the sound's really annoying and I don't want to be when the washing machine's on. So Well, needless to say, that could have gone a lot better. 45 minutes later, and there she is. There she is in all of her beautiful golden glory. I'm so excited. Hello friends, happy Thursday. Yes, I'm vlogging in public. Yes, this is really out of my comfort zone, but I've just decided. I was going to say that I've decided not to give a monkey's ass what other people think, and then I saw someone and panicked. But yeah, hope you guys are all having a good day. Sorry about my squeaky ass gym bag. I don't know what's going on. It's really heavy at the moment. I have my laptop in here because I just did some editing at the coffee shop, and then I went straight to the gym and I am puffed. Hello friends, happy, is it Friday? Woohoo! We have had a very interesting day today. Long story short, Nick was on his way to work, and what happened there?
I parked the car in a work car park, and then the key wouldn't come out.
The key's stuck in the car. His key's stuck in the ignition, so that's fun.
It wasn't me, it was my fault.
No, he called the RAA, and they said, bro, it's not your fault, you need a mechanic.
Obviously I was pissed off, but also slightly relieved, because I thought I was just like not turning the key right. I rang Dad, and I also spoke to you, and everyone was like, just turn the wheel, and so it's like, yeah, nah, I didn't think of that one.
There's been a lot of dramas in between. Anyway, I am going to go get my haircut today, which I'm so excited about. I don't remember the last time I got my haircut, maybe 6 months ago.
It was in November.
Someone's keeping tabs. This is my outfit for today. Just have on this top from Topshop. The jeans, I think are from, I don't know, I'll check the label. And then I just have on my Nike Air Force Ones. Are you guys ready? Oh, I feel so light. Honestly, getting your haircut is like one of the best feelings ever. I feel so free. Especially because my hair is so thick and long and it grows really, really fast. So every time I get it cut, it's like a whole head has been lifted from my shoulders. Still got a head, but a lot less hair. But yeah, I just got it cut. I'm trying to think what she did. She thinned it out quite a bit, chopped off probably like that much. I always get quite a bit because I only get my hair cut a couple times a year. And yeah, just thinned out because my hair's super thick. She also just like did some pieces to kind of frame my face. Did a few kind of little layers throughout, so there's a little bit of volume and kind of shape to it. And I go to Hair and File on Anzac Highway. It's like down near the Glenelg, like right at the beginning of Anzac Highway if anyone lives in Adelaide and you're looking for a good hairdresser. She is so lovely. Her salon is beautiful. I was just like admiring all the interior design. This is what I've become. It's like real adult levels. We were just talking about like what it's like living out of home and just all the things that come with it. It's always good to have a chat and catch up. And she does such a good job with my hair. So very, very happy. I'm feeling very light and free tonight. Nick and I also just went to get some late lunch. It was like really late. It was almost like 3:30 by the time we got there. We just went to a little cafe down in Glenelg. We went to Zest Gallery, which I haven't been to in years. I forgot how good it was and so cheap. I think it was like $40 for the both of us, and we got 2 meals and both got coffees, which is good. So Nick's just popped out to go to the pub with some friends. He's only gonna have one drink and then we're gonna come back and go to the movies tonight. We're gonna see The King of Staten Island, the one with Pete Davidson. Ariana Grande's man. I shouldn't say that. He's his own individual. X-Man as well. We just watched the trailer and it looks really good. So I'm excited to see that. We love going to the cinema, having a little date night. Gotta make the most of this hair. Also, it is such a great and gloomy day outside. I cannot even deal with it. It has not stopped raining and it's not meant to stop raining until Sunday. So we love that. Anyway, I'm just gonna probably chill. I have a couple of Instagram photos to post that I took at lunchtime, if anyone cares. Yeah. Riveting stuff. Love my life.